Vicky's Kenyan kitchen, where we prepare a variety of meals, and today we are going to cook pilau. Yes, hata kama tuna quarantines, tunakula pia, si ndio? Haya, tuende kazi. Let's cook. Today's ingredients, we have onions, garlic, ginger, cumin seeds, tomato paste, salt, dania, potatoes, rice, and of course meat. First, we are going to boil our meat. Add salt to taste. Now we are going to grind our cumin seeds. Now we are going to steam our potatoes for 3 minutes. Yani kwa Kiswahili tutachemsha kidogo. Alright, now we have to fry our onions. I need cooking oil. Stir the onions until they turn brown. Tomato paste. Our meat is ready. I boiled it for 30 minutes because I need it soft. Now here we are going to mix all together with our ingredients. Stir with a fork to avoid mashing the rice. When the rice is boiling, you add your potatoes. After mixing, you cover your rice. Reduce your heat. You need a very low heat. Since the heat is low, I need aluminium foil paper to maintain the steam inside the pot. Now our pilau is ready to be served. Our pilau is served. I've served with a banana, kachumbari, and fresh juice. If you don't have neither the three of these, you can use salad, melon, avocado, pineapple, and even water. A glass of water is healthy. Enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video and have a nice time.